أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters here, how are you all? Hope and pray you all are well and good. Bi'iznillahi ta'ala. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Kindly make use of the chat box, inshallah. Let's keep it an engaging and interactive session, inshallah. So, dear sisters and brothers, Alhamdulillah, we are heading on to the day 12th of this course, right? We just have one day left, one more day left for the takmeel of this course, right? Subhanallah. So, we have learned so many concepts, dear sisters and brothers, in just past 11 days, right? Subhanallah, we have been learning so much. We have been learning, gaining the mastery over the software. You are learning most of the skills. Alhamdulillah, we started off with the creation of logos. Then we just started creating the Quranic content, Islamic flyers, the codes, then so much more, right? Subhanallah. We have been learning each and every aspect of editing, right? So inshallah, today also we are going to see very major concepts, and today's class would be a very big milestone if you all are into the video editing, inshallah. So it will be very helpful for you if you are into the video editing, cartoon making, animation making. You will be awestruck when you see how you can just create the animations through this, inshallah ta'ala, because this software is very excellent to go with the animation tools and more. So do not worry, you will all learn it here in this software itself. You can do it all in this software itself because there's no other software that provides it so easily like this one, right? So easily like this one. So yeah, sisters and brothers, so this is very easy design tool. So at the from very beginning classes, have been telling you that even the beginner can just learn and get mastery through this, and they can just start designing every content like cartoon, animation, or anything video making or and even the flyer making and everything is being taught in this because this is a superb design tool that is being offered. So alhamdulillah, let's all continue on to this journey. This is the last but one day, right? So alhamdulillah, we are in the day 12th of this course, and today we are going to learn so many concepts, inshallah. I just want you all to rectify your intentions that you're going to educate yourself with this skill for the sake of Allah. Remember that, fine? So you're not just going to learn this for something like a time pass or something. No, dear sisters and brothers, you are learning this with an intention, okay? Rectify your intention so that you can gain reward. Because in our deen, whatever we do, we have ultimate purpose, right? Gaining the rewards for the sake of Allah so that we can make our akhirah. You can make your akhirah too through this, right? Subhanallah. How can we make? By building our career itself, by earning a rizq halal, we can also make our akhirah by earning the rewards. Even earning the rizq halal, earning the source of income, earning is also from the rewardiest thing, right? And also, dear sisters and brothers, I just want you all to rectify your intentions and use this skill for the sake of Allah as well. Because this skill is in trend nowadays, everywhere, anywhere, go anywhere, just find anywhere. Go on your WhatsApp stories, Instagram stories, any feed, anywhere you find the Islamic content. You can post the Islamic content so that you can spread the word of Allah, spread the word of Allah to the people around you so that it can be a source of hidayah to the people by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And through your content, may Allah guide the people, inshallah ta'ala. So, dear sisters and brothers, let's head on to this journey. Let's continue on to this journey. And inshallah, we are just 2 days away from completion. So, without further delay, let's just begin with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And we are just going to continue on this journey to be more productive, inshallah. So let me just give you a quick recap on whatever we learned in yesterday's class. We learned how to make event flyers, the ceremony banners also, and also the wedding invitation cards, and also the flyers in the flyer format, and also in the format of the animated text, right? So these were some of the wedding invitation created yesterday with from the scratch, right? This was recreated from the scratch. and then we created the very next invitation, the takmil invitation that is being held on tomorrow's date, invitation to the takmil session of Design Like a Pro. And alhamdulillah, even this we created, and then we created something with the blobs, right? We just got through a keyword, and yesterday we wrote all of the keywords. Do you all remember all of the elements, keywords we have written that are important for any graphic designer, right? Probably. What are the number of elements that you had taken down? Come on, write it down, dear sisters and brothers. How many elements did you all write? How many elements did you all take down in your, I mean, the element names did you take down in your notebook? Was it around 20 to 30? Probably they were around 30 elements graphics, right? Graphics names. So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, take hold of that to create important stuffs, inshallah. Only six? Okay, yesterday we have given a list of elements, okay? Around 20 to 30 elements were being told. So just go to the recordings and listen to that again, okay? So, okay, we also learned how to create using the blobs and also with the color palettes, right? Okay, and this one, and on this one also as well, we created this for a banner, right? Ceremony banner. Dear sisters and brothers, hope you all know to give it a dimension, right? We can give it, assign it whatever dimension we require, fine. And also, yes, we did all of this, alhamdulillah, and that was our homework that you had to send all of the flyers as a homework, alhamdulillah. It's all submitted excellently. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers. So heading on to the day 12, today I have mentioned what we are going to do. This thing that I had mentioned was to be done in yesterday's class, but the time wasn't permitted, so we had to just end the session and just so what we do, what are we going to do today is we are just going to cover the yesterday's topics and then new topics in today's session, inshallah. So T-shirt designing, book cover designing will be discussed, magazines, how to create, infographics, website designing, and today is a very bonus day. Inshallah, today you're going to learn how to edit videos entirely. Okay, entire video editing will be taught with the Canva software. Fine, you'll be taught how to create the animations. You will be taught how to create the intro and outro videos for your YouTube channel, your YouTube, or anywhere wherever you want. And also, dear sisters and brothers, also some of the audio editing features with the Canva will be taught, and also some of the features like thumbnail making will be taught, inshallah, in today's class. So be prepared with the two devices, one to listen to the class, second for the live practice. If you cannot practice live in the class, stay back after the class and practice it, whatever you have written, or look into the recordings and practice this, right? Today's session is very important. You must practice, okay? This is a skill that you are learning. It is not a bookish knowledge. This needs continuous practice, okay? So come on, let's head on to this session without any delay. So first thing that I wanted to address was how to design your own t-shirts, okay? T-shirt designing is a very excellent business, okay? It's a very excellent in-trend business nowadays. You know, you can just start personalizing your own t-shirts. You can start making your own t-shirts. The personalized design, like in customized design, you can send your own design and tell them to print your customized design on the t-shirts. So how to do that? You can just click on the create design and select t-shirt, okay? T-shirt aspect ratio is assigned by the Canva. You can just select whatever you want. If the logo is there, then it will be on the top right. So we'll select the very first one, t-shirt, 14/18 inches. This is the standard size that you have to give. Recently, if you are thinking of gifting it to your siblings, your nephews, or your niece, or something in your family, if you want to gift, this would be a best gift that you can give for the kids or toddlers. This would be a better designing that you can just gift with. So you're the graphic designer, you can just design anything for them and gift it, right? So come on, t-shirt designing. For t-shirt designing, let me just select whatever we want. For example, if you think of any kid and you want to give this personalized t-shirt for them. Recently, I did it for my nephew, so I just thought of doing that again so that you can just get some inspiration, like how we can just design the t-shirts. For example, okay, my nephew liked cars so much, so what I did was I wanted to design it a personalized t-shirt with the cars on it, and okay, I just selected one car. Okay, I just added it on the t-shirt, fine. Okay, then what more? I wanted it to, with his name, okay, with his name on it. So we can just add it, the car is added, and then next, what more? Something track like, or something like splashing thing or something, whatever, you can just add more text to this. For example, this splash. Okay, we can do with the splash behind. Okay, something like that you can add, or you can just look into whatever you're going to do. Fine. Let me just send it to the back and see if it is fine to go with. If it is not, send backwards. No, it's not that good. So let me just remove that. Okay, do not settle for the content that you don't like. Fine. So let me see what goes well with this splash. Okay, this splash is not that perfect. I think this would be going well with that. I'll just put this behind. Okay, send it to back. It's just my idea what I'm just going to create. You can just create anything with the typography, your own typography you can create. Anything that you want, like for example, the Muslim, proud to be a Muslim, or if you're going to create something about the Palestine, you can just add on your own texture, your own gradients there, and create something good. You can just personalize your t-shirt according to your wish. That's all. Fine. Then I'll just add the name. His name was Umar. So I'll just add the name. You can give the colorful typography for this text that are here. Fine. So what I did was something like this and the black text. Okay, now we can just now this can be this can you can give just what we can say, you can give different typography for this, right? Typography, hope probably you all know what is typography by now, right? So this is done. Omar is written here. So what I will do is I'll just keep it here and send it to the back. Okay, send to the back. Now I can just create it like double aspect or something like that. Or what I can do is I can just add half of it here. I can duplicate it and add something behind like this and reduce its transparency. How to reduce the transparency? As nothing but go to the transparency, reduce its transparency. Okay, I can even add it multiple times, or I can make it hollow. Okay, I can make it so I can just make it more hollow like this. Okay, I can just add it in this way as well, and I can just duplicate it further and place it like this, like this. It's all my typography. It's all the typography that works here. Fine, something like that. Fine, we're almost done. Okay, this was something like this. I designed for that. It looked more classy, but for now, I think this is fine. So probably you have got the idea how you can design your own t-shirts, fine. And another design for someone else with just the name, with just the name and a thought like that. So you can get the design, t-shirt design ideas from here, dear sisters and brothers. See here, you have so many design ideas. Come on, see here how many beautiful design ideas you have. You can just use it, or you can just write proud to be a Muslim, and you can just personalize it. And you have so many organizations who are home, so many companies, so many entrepreneurs who are having this t-shirt designing businesses. You can just send this graphic design to them, and they will just personalize this on the t-shirt that you'll select, t-shirt color that you'll select. And one important thing, they'll ask you to get this done in the PNG format. Okay, you have to send this in the PNG format because they just need this one. Okay, the text and this one, they'll print it on whichever t-shirt, whichever color t-shirt you give, they'll print it on that. Fine. Proud to be a Muslim, to be a Muslim. We can select whatever we want, right? So this is how you can just design your own t-shirts. T-shirt designing, it's nothing but you're just personalizing it according to your own wish, however you want. That's all. Now how to send this? You just have to share this in the form of the PDF format or PNG format. Very important, download it into the format of PNG. Fine. And make sure you're giving a transparent background. Fine, transparent background, and give it a high quality. Fine, give it a high quality transparent background and send it to whoever you're going to personalize with, because you have so many people who can just create your own personalized t-shirts. You can gift it to anyone or something like that. If you are into the business, this is very excellent business. You can just refer the YouTube video and see how excellent this business is trending nowadays. Fine, you can create your own Shopify store, and you can just start by creating your own personalized t-shirts. Like you can just type this, make your own graphic designing each and every t-shirt. You can own print it and you can just put it over there. Okay, so this is t-shirt designing. There are so many t-shirts available here, dear sisters and brothers. You can just type and see on the templates. You can even grab one from the this one, and you can just develop some mini copies. Like even you can just give some models. Upon the models, you can put this up. You have all the AI here. You can just put it, and the mock-up you can give. Dear sisters and brothers, you can create the mockups in this applications only. Okay, in this Canva application, you can create the mockup and create your own Shopify store, and you can just sell your T-shirts from there. Fine. Okay, that's very excellent thing. If you are in-house with this, if you have an in-house what we printing machine, then you can just create the mockups using the Canva, and then you can just start off. Okay. So this is about the T-shirt designing. Then we have something called as website designing. This is also excellent. You have so many templates. You can just make use of whatever templates. All of the pro level templates are free for you to just create the website. You can also publish the website. Canva will give you its own hosting. One is the it will give you with the .canva.site. If you want, you can just publish it with the .canva.site. Okay. Your name, I mean your this one with the .canva.site will be available. For example, if you want to create edusite.canva.site, if you have your own domain like edusite.com, then you can just host your website from this thing. So you also have the access to this one pro level content. You have the access to. You can just see if you can just create your own website also here. If it is .canva dot this one, then it is free to use. And you can just go ahead with that. Fine. Then I'll just show you some of the things about infographics. Infographics are nothing but that have graphics in it, and the information is just presented in the form of the graphics. Fine. You have so many templates regarding this. How to create the infographics? Infographics is nothing but for any concept. For example, if you want to create like a very engaging this one, like if within one frame you have to create all of this one. Probably you all have seen something like this in the schools and colleges. They put it up here and there, infographics. Okay, these are called as infographics, in which they provide entire info about one subject. 5 steps to campaign success. Here, ancient civilization, explanatory things, something chronological things like this, classroom rules, one thing this way. These are called as infographics. You have it all in the pro level content. You don't have to make it and sit. You can just refer this, get the templates, and you can just change it according to your own wishes. Fine. So you have all the pro level content. All of the infographics are pro here. Okay, all are for the pro users. So you all are having this free of cost. Just go and check without the free of cost. I mean, in the without this pro this one access. If you do it with your previous account, then each would cost you at least 1K to just buy this each template. Fine. So remember, you are given everything for free. Do whatever you like. Do what create the excellent content in your own best ways, inshallah. So infographics is done. Infographics, I just wanted to touch some of the concepts that you all can do with this Canva. Fine. So see here, I'll just go back to the home page and I'll show you. See here, the documents you can make mobile videos, Instagram posts, all are done. YouTube thumbnails, inshallah. Today we are going to learn about that. Posters is nothing but the same thing, the flyers or the posters posting on the wall. Same flyers you can create in whatever you want to generate. And then your stories is all Instagram story. These are all referred to. Document making is done. Presentation is done. Resume is done. Flyers is done. Video making, today we are going to discuss phone wallpaper. This is the same thing, the same flyers. You can just change it to the ratio of phone flyers. Invitation cards is done. Logo making is done. Photo collage is something like, if you have 5 to 10 photos, you can just add it in the form of the photo collage. Click on it. The same thing, like frames are being added there. You can add and put in the photos over there. Fine. So these are the things that are here. Even so many things like, okay, see here, some of infographics is done. Graphs, if you want to make some graphs. Okay, book cover, dear sisters and brothers, I wanted to tell you, whichever book cover you want, you can just select it, and you can just create the book covers. It's the same thing. For example, you're making a book cover for an Islamic book. Okay, so how to make that? You just have to have a good content, right? You just have to know what you are creating for, right? So you have very access to so many things. You can just get it. For example, you can just take this one, and now you are just going to add the book cover. For example, pearls of wisdom. You're going to write a book on, you are going to make a book cover on pearls of wisdom. So what I'm just gonna make is, I'll just ungroup this. You just have to have a content. You have to have a client who asks you for this pearls of wisdom. Okay. Now we have to write the author name, compiled by, or so something like that. ABCD. Okay, then what we are who has written, what is this book about? An Islamic, we can just write a collection of Islamic, what we say, the stories, or whatever, collection of Islamic pearls, of wisdom, or we can write a collection of quotes, or we can write Islamic quotes, collection of Islamic quotes. This is better. Collection of Islamic quotes. Islamic quotes. Okay, something like this. It's same thing how flyers you're producing. If you just have to know how to create the flyers. We have learned A to Z of the flyer making, right? Same thing. You just have to add your own creativity inside this. That's all. Pearls of wisdom. For the wisdom pearls, we need something in the background that tells you about the pearls and wisdoms, right? So we'll just see pearls. Okay, we'll just see about the pearls, and we'll see if we see here how beautifully we have it. We can add it somewhere here. Okay, now wisdom. For wisdom, we don't know how we can just make this up. I think we can just delete this, and we can just give it a look of Islamic look. Okay, Islamic backgrounds or Islamic. Let's just try Islamic and see what we can just go ahead with. Okay. Okay. Pearls of wisdom or something like Quranic text we'll add, and then we'll add some pearls upon it or something like that. It's all up to us, dear sisters and brothers, how we are going to arrange those things into. Just a moment, inshallah, we'll see how we are going to just really on this. Send it to back. Okay, something like this. Pearls of wisdom. There is also a Quranic text here. There are also the pearls fallen here. And now do we have the we also have the this. Okay, and we are done with an Islamic, book cover. We are done. Yeah, beautifully we just produced within a moment. Okay, so this is an excellent way that you just have to put in your imagination into it, and just you have to select one your suitable template and create your own design. That's all. So this is one book flyer that we have created. Book cover. Even for the book covers, this is a trend nowadays. You can just go and write the gig on Fiverr application. Yesterday we have given a mock-up of that, right? Hope you all have seen that. In the Fiverr, we have seen how to create, how the people are earning through logo making. And also, dear sisters and brothers, business flyers, okay? Business flyers. We had discussed each and every cards, okay, business cards. Even through the business cards you can just create your own business. You can have your own freelancing there. Even through the infographics you can have your own gigs written there. Even through the this one, just for there's the book cover making, okay, book covers making. You can just have this one. And also video editing, your animation making, you can have your own gigs over there on the Fiverr application. Come on, after yesterday's class, how many have you have created the accounts on the Fiverr and other freelancing sites? Can you all just mention? You must have that kind of enthusiasm, dear sisters and brothers, to start creating the content, because now you all are into the editing and you are just given an excellent design tool, and you just have to start off by now. Okay. So now, okay, let's head on to the very last topic of our sessions, that is the video editing. Fine. So come on, yes, sisters and brothers, let's head on. This is a very important concept, very important topic. Video editing is trend nowadays, and it is all on Facebook, Instagram, on all social sites, right? So come on, we are just going to create a video. How to start with the videos? We had been seeing every day, right? How to create the videos from the flyers. How to make a flyer into video? We just had to animate and just give it separate videos. If you want to create, then we just have to go to make the videos. Okay, that is a separate bar. For example, for the flyer that we had generated yesterday, I'll just show you how to convert one flyer to the this one. How did we convert? We discussed this in very fourth class of ours. Okay, probably you all remember that. How to convert the flyer into the animation? You just have to click on that, go to the animation and apply any animation. Correct? Done with this animation. Then we can just, what do we can do? We can change the timings 30 seconds if you want, 30 seconds. And then what you can do is you can just go to the audios and add the audios, right? Go to the uploads and add the audios to that, and we are done with it. We are done with the video making. That's all is the video making. So see here. So now how to play this up? You just have to play this up. The background audio is coming along and this looks very beautiful. See, we just converted one flyer into the video. This is all done, fine. So this is very easy task to convert a flyer into the video. Now we are going to look into separate video editing. Fine, separate video editing. Just for the sake of videos only, we are going to create the videos. Okay, what we'll do, we'll just go to the videos. And one important thing, dear sisters and brothers, probably you all remember flyers, how you can convert within a second into the video, right? So those flyers that we had created for this one, do you all remember? For even for the business flyers, you can create for videos for each and everything. You can just create into the videos. Probably you all will remember this one we created into the videos, right? all of the flyers with the Quranic text we created. We just added the ayahs to it, and we just started with the creation of it to the videos, right? Probably you all remember. And we added some of the backgrounds to this. See here, we added some moving backgrounds, and see here, probably you all remember how we converted, right? Hope you all know this. This was very excellently done by you all, alhamdulillah. So see here, even this one, dear sisters and brothers, you all did it very excellently. Something behind. We added some statics. This was just static, so we added some graphics, animations here and there, right? So audio is also playing along with this, and looks very excellent. So we can just download every flyer in the format of the videos, and we can just post it on the YouTube, Instagram, and anywhere as a videos. Okay. So separate videos if you want to create, we'll just click on the video. Videos have different types. Okay, so your mobile video if you want, Facebook video if you want, Instagram reel if you want, TikTok video if you want. You can select whichever aspect ratio we want. Pinterest video, a slideshow video, video message, whatever you want. First one, let me go to the standard size of the YouTube. So we'll select this one. Usually nowadays, which is in trend, reels and shorts are in trend, right? Reels and shorts. So you can just select reels and shorts or whatever, dear sisters and brothers. You can select whichever you like. For example, now we are creating a video. Let me just create a simple video for you. So how to create a video? You're just going to add the background. You just need a video. How to get the videos? You have the videos here. Come on, let me just select something like a good wallpaper, whatever you want, you can write. So if you want something like, okay, let me just write something. I wanted to write something like fireworks. Okay, firework. See here. So you have so many videos. You just can go to the videos. Okay, and see here how beautiful the fireworks are. Right. So you can just select that. Okay. Now how to make this as a video on the background? See here, dear sisters and brothers. We are into the detailed video editing now. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to click on the three dot button, set video as a background. Fine. So now when you play this is the 5 minutes. 5 seconds. It will play for 5 seconds. So this is how we play this. Fine. Okay. Now how to add another video to this? Okay. Another video to the right side, another video to the left side or something like that. If you want to add another video, you just have to click on the plus button here. Okay. Click on plus button. You have got another video. Now for this video, if you want to put another wallpaper, you can just put it. 1 minute, 10-second wallpaper is here. So we'll just put this up and we'll just add it here, and we will just set video as a background. Fine. So see here. This is being started from here. See, there's some firework and it will play around till 1 minute, fine. So now I don't want till the end. I don't want till 1 minute, 10 seconds. Now, how should I trim this, dear sisters and brothers? See here, there is something like this. Okay, this is called as timeline. Probably my students from the Kind Master batch are here. They might be very well knowing what this timeline is, right? So you all, this timeline is very important for any video editor, fine. We have a separate course for video editing, and that was very excellently done. Probably we have the videos on the YouTube as well. So inshallah, if you're looking forward to the videos, then you can just go through the YouTube videos, or if you want to enroll in the course, we have it inshallah upcoming. So dear sisters and brothers, this is called as a timeline. Okay, there is also something called as a timestamp. Okay, so this is in black here. Probably you are not seeing it well. I'll just pull it up here. So here it is. This is called as timeline. It shows you where what part of the video it is in. Fine, it is in what part you're going to edit. For example, this is 5 second video and this is 1 minute video that we have taken. I don't want this 1 minute video entirely, so I should trim this up. How to trim this? There is a scissor here. Okay, there is a scissor on the top and it will be on the bottom in the smartphones, and you just have to click on that scissors. Okay, you can select whatever part of the video you want. For example, you want only from here to here. Okay, here to here, then you can just select this much. Okay, in this way you can just make it fine. So I selected only 31 second out of 1 minute. So this is the trim left. Okay, trim left when you're just going to draw it from this side. How to trim right? This is the trim right. You're trimming from the right side. This is how you do it. Okay, this is the thing you can trim, and trim left and trim right. Fine. So this is done. Okay, after doing this, dear sisters and brothers, let's move ahead. After trimming this from left and right, we have something called as edit video. In the edit video, you have something called as background removers. I'll show you how it works. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just go with another video. Fine, another video. So this is a video that is here. I'll just have a plain black background. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just go to the photos, have this plain black background or something, state as set images background. This is a plain image. Okay, next I'll write some text, add a text box. EDU-SITE. Okay. Probably you remember this logo making that we had done during this one. I'll show you one intro video how we can make with this. Okay. You can have a bold font like this. I have given it a white lip. Okay. And now, hope you all know how we did last time. We did duplicated this, made it into a hollow. How to make it into a hollow, dear sisters and brothers? Let me change this color to black. One to white, one to black. Fine. A black, or let me just do it red. Okay. Red or something lightish like this. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the effects and change it to the hollow. Okay. This is same as the one that we had been creating for the this one. Okay. Done. Now what I want to do is I want to play a video inside this. Okay. We were adding one layer, something layer inside this. Now I want to play a video inside this. Let me show you. Let me have a video for the something like color spill. Okay. We have something like color spill, color splash or something like that. Color splash itself. Let me see. Take color splash and videos. Let me see. Okay, you have very excellent background removers in within your this one. Yes, this one I'll take. Fine, this is something like this in which the colors have been appearing like this. Fine, there is a black background with this, right? There is a black background with this. Now what I want, dear sisters and brothers, listen very carefully. Now I want this. Okay, see, a color is being splashed up. Now I don't want this black in this video. Okay, I don't want this black in this video. So how would I remove this? How would I remove this? What I'll do is I'll just bring it to the front. Just bring one front. Okay, bring it to front. No, I'll just do one thing. I'll just layer send backwards. Okay, so I just get one text and another text is behind this. Fine. So for this video, what I'm going to do is edit video, background remover. Click on background remover. We are done with background removing. I'll show you how it works. Fine. Now I'll just show you by playing this up from the very start. Okay, see you. It is like it is being spilled inside this. See, hopefully you all are understanding this, what we just played up, right? Okay, if I want, I'll just change this color to the purplish itself so that it will match the color of that. Okay, so this is how you can just create wonderful stuffs with this, dear sisters and brothers. You can just play around with this, what we say, with your own, yeah, what we are creating. We created something like a video is moving through this. Okay, probably you all remember how we created this with this one, right? So this one, you can take it for, you can take just this video and put it for this one, dear sisters and brothers. What we say for your intro videos on your YouTube channel, or outro videos for your YouTube channel or something like that. Okay, once more you all want it. Okay, this here what I did was I took some random background. Okay, random background. I selected the photos because what happened is, what is happening here is, if you, okay, I'll just select color splash photo itself. Okay, if I play two to more three videos, then my voice would be stuck up here in the Zoom, because Zoom doesn't allows me to play my voice as well as the videos. Fine. So this is the photo that I have taken. Okay, I have applied a photo to the background. Now what I'll do is I'll add the text, the same text that we were adding from the previous this one logo making. How we were doing that? We just did it like while using the logos. I'll just add it here. I'll add EDU-SITE. Okay, now we'll just have a very bold font. Let it be into rust. Okay, now this is white color. You probably all remember we duplicated it, placed it somewhere here and there, and then we made it, gave it effect of hollow, and then we again replaced it up. And what should we do, dear sisters and brothers, for this? We have to change this coloring, right? What will change it to? Okay, this is done. Okay, I changed it to purple. Fine. Now you can just go to see a color splash. Okay, videos, whatever you want. You can add some other backgrounds also. For example, you want to add this one also, you can add. Okay. So this has, dear sisters and brothers, it should feel like it's coming from above or something like that, because I wanted to give it a good texture look. Okay. Another video. Okay, this spill is excellent. So what we'll do? Okay, we'll just apply this. Now we have to remove its backgrounds. Okay, you remove its background so that it appears in between these two texts. So make it in between these two texts. What should we do? We just have to layer this up and bring it forward, one forward. That's all. Bring forward. Done. Now what we have to do, dear sisters and brothers? Now we have to remove the background of this video that we have put up. So how to remove? Edit video, background remover. Tools, or you just have in your smartphone, it is in the form of tools and background remover. Now let me play this and show it to you how it is playing. Okay. This was for this one. Okay, for this one, let me play. Okay. Okay, it's not playing well because, again, I'm telling you, because the Zoom is not taking the audios along with me, audio videos along with me. So let me just close it and show it from here itself. Okay, see here how it is flashing up. Now it's not playing perfectly because there is a high size of the video that is playing behind. Fine, let me just see if it plays from this edge. No, when you export this up, it will come along very excellently. Fine. See here, it plays up in between these two texts. Fine, because there have been so many graphics that is used here, Zoom won't allow me to do that. So what I'll do, I'll just show you with this one itself how it gets. Okay, this where actually the low sized content. That is very high sized content because it is about 30 seconds. So this is how we did it. Hope you all have understood this. This you can just make use of these things and create your own intro and outro videos, right? You can put the video behind as well, right? Oh, so when exporting, you will find it very excellently done. Because I have added 5 to 6 background videos and something like that here, it is actually making it more clumsy to show it up on the Zoom screen, fine? Probably you're not, probably hope you all have understood how this all works, fine? So alhamdulillah, this is done. This is one way you can just create the videos. Okay, what we were left with. Okay, this is how you can add the pages. 10 to 15 pages you can add, and you can just make one video out of all of it, right? So what is video editing? Again and again I tell you, video editing is nothing but you are going to edit already given content. You can add text on it, you can make you can give it various, what we say, effects, and then you can just create the masterpiece out of it. For example, I will just add this as a video in the background, set video as a background. So this is a video in the background. So when I play this up, okay. So again, it's going to this beginning. Okay. So when I play this up, this is a video that is here. Fine. Okay. For this video, we have options, editing options. One is the edit video options, in which you can just remove the background. That is done. How to add the filters? You can just change the this one effects to the video. See, dear sisters and brothers, you can give the festive look. You can give the glow look. This are all the video editing effects, filters that you can apply on the videos and make it more classy. Okay, this is called video editing, right? This is how you are going to edit your own videos. You can just enhance the quality of the video. You can increase the intensity, increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, and change the video to a very excellent finished product. Okay, so by using all of the tools and adjustments. Okay, white balance, black balance, tinting up, and also you can change the brightness of it if you want to make it more grayscale, if you want to increase the contrast of this, if you want to give it more highlight. All of this option probably you all have known it by now, because we have learned this using the learned photo editing using this, right? Using the during the flyer making, we have seen some of the aspects like this. Fine. This is how you can just edit the videos and the photos. You can just apply the X process, saturation. All of these are the effects that you can apply and just change the look of the video. Fine. If you want to make a grayscale video to a very high content, you can just make use of all of these content. For example, you have a video in which you are there in that and you're taking an interview for someone else. Then what you have to do, you have to enhance the things in that. For example, you want to enhance the white balance, brightness of that. Then all of these are the things that work on, dear sisters and brothers, that you all can work on. Fine. For example, I'll just write the interview itself here. Okay. Interview. Okay. You can also do photo editing. Probably you all know how to make the photo editing and video editing. For example, this photo does not have a good what we say, good brightness or something like that. So edit image, and then you can go to the filters, change its filtration power, change it to the Luna, whatever you like, arrows, misty content if you want to put it. If you want to give it an adjustment, increase its temperature, decrease its temperature. If you want to make it feel like it's a dark place, if you want to increase the brightness, if you want to increase its contrast, all of these are the photo editing tools. Okay, the already generated photos, you can just edit it like this, fine. You can increase the vibrance, saturation. You can just change the colors also here, dear sisters and brothers. You can make it to the colors that you wish to. Okay, so all of the things are here. Sharpness you can increase, the clarity, you can increase the vignette of it. Vignette is something that is on the edges, fine. So then you can crop it also. These are the editing options, fine. Hope you all have understood what are the editing options. Even if you take the videos also, you can edit these videos in the beautiful masterpieces just by changing this. For example, you are into this video editing and you want, what you say, you want to edit this video and make it more, decrease its brightness, increase its brightness, and you want to change the characters look from dark to white. You could want to give him a more highlight. If you want to give a shadowed look to that, if you want to fade this up, fade the background up, if you want to increase the brightness. So all of these things are here, dear sisters and brothers. You just have so access to so many elements. You can just change it all in your own ways, right? So if you want to increase the brightness, highlights, the tint, if you want to change from red to white, white to green, greenish to something, if you want to increase its warmth, it's all your way of doing things, right? This is editing options, right? These are the editing options. Tools and adjustments are the things in which through which you can edit your videos, right? Okay. Now the videos that are here, some other things that we had learned how to trim it up. Probably you all remember 30-second video you just want from 15 seconds to 15 second of the video to 25 second. Then this is how you trim it up and keep. Okay, trim it up and click on the done. Hope you all have understood it, right? So then what else, dear sisters and brothers? Then what else are the options? Then there's something option called as playback. Okay, go to that, dear sisters and brothers, click on it. It is nothing but reducing the speed of the video, reducing or increasing. What does this mean, speed of the video? Speed of the video is nothing but, yeah, so you can do fast tracking or you can do it as slow motion. Okay, slow motion. For example, the interview that the people were taking, I'll just show with that itself. Okay, for that interview, if you wanted to make it a fast paced, so you wanted to make it a fast paced. This is a 12-second interview. If you want to make it fast, for example, see here, what you can do, increase the speed. See here, within 7 seconds, this is done. Have you understood this? And for example, if you want to make it a slow motion, you have to reduce this. That's all. See here, 49 seconds it can become. See how slowly they are talking. Okay, you can do this with your videos. Whatever videos, for example, you have captured a video through your smartphone. Now you want to edit it, put it on the wall and edit it like this. Okay, so this is done. Hope you all are understanding this, right? Okay, let me delete this up because there are so many pages here. It's happening. It's too messy here. Okay, we are done with 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 10 editing still now. Okay, now we have another page. Okay, there is something called as editing is done. So now I will apply another video here and there, or I'll apply any photo here and there. Okay, see here. What more options do we have? What more options? If this is a photo, then we can just give, okay, photo inside a photo, video inside a video we can put. For example, one photo if I want to put here, another photo I want to put here, another photo I want to put here. Okay, I'm putting these 3 photos here and there, and then I want to put a video here. Okay, video behind. Okay, so I'll just put this as a background, set video as a background. See here, this is the way you can just work on. You can just add this photo here. I mean, if you want to add your own logos here and there, you can add it. Okay, you can add it here. If you want to add your own social icons, you can add it. That's all. You can add photo on a photo, video on a photo, photo on a video. Okay, you can add any stuff, whatever you want upon it. There is nothing called as extra layering here and there. You can just add it here and there. For example, this business card, I'll just add it here somewhere. Okay, and for example, I want to add just this one, just what these things that are required. Okay, how I can add this with, I can just go with the background remover for this. Probably you all know edit image, background remover. I'll remove the background and I'll just want this things that are here. For example, the contact details, this and that. I can just exhibit it here. And if I want to animate it and put it inside the frame, I can put it like that. Fine. Probably it's not getting it so well with that. Okay, we can just add whatever we like. For example, this one logo, if I want to put it here, I can put it. For example, a video, if you want to put it inside this, I can put it here, right? And we can just play it all along. And dear sisters and brothers, I want to put text upon it. Okay, text upon it. See here, we did it here already, right? We did this here, the text upon it already, right? So, okay, text upon the videos. This is how we can put the text upon the videos. Now, dear sisters and brothers, I want to show another thing here. Okay, listen very carefully. Very, very carefully, please. Okay, this EDU-SITE, I want it to appear only from 1 second till 10 seconds. Okay, this EDU-SITE, I want it to appear only between 1 to 10 seconds, and after that I want something else. Okay, what should I do now? Okay, click on that, click on 3-dot button. Okay, 3-dot button on your smartphones or your laptops or your PCs or your tabs. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, click on 3-dot button. Select anywhere here. Click on 3-dot button and click on show timings. Come on, show timings. This is very important when you want to adjust the things inside it and you want dual things to be put inside it. Fine. Okay, this inside one video, if you want to put multiple text here, EDU-SITE, I have reduced it to half. Okay, I want it till 15 seconds only. Okay, 15 seconds only. So for the very first one, 15 seconds only I want it. Okay. So here it is showing me all of the timeline. If I want to increase, I can increase this up. So this is still here. Done. Okay. Then the next, very next thing, there is another EDU-SITE here that also I want to reduce it. That is here. Fine. Both edges side I have reduced from this to this seconds. Okay. Now what I want is, now I want, after this I want to add another text. After 15 seconds or after 13 seconds I want to add another text. So what I'll do, I'll just click on that timings and place my this is called as timestamp. Okay, this is called as timestamp. Probably my video editing students will be knowing this very easily and very excellently. So here you just have to add the text box. Okay, and this text box you have to start from the here. Okay, from 15 seconds. Okay, so what happens here is, in this video, in this entire video, this plays from 0 to 13 seconds, then 13 seconds to 30 seconds. Okay, for the next one, what I'll do is I'll just write some other things in this text. Your paragraph here inside this, what I'll do, I'll write something like where the excellence is reached. Okay, excellence is reached. Okay, I'll just put this up somewhere here in the middle. Okay, now see here, dear sisters and brothers, when I play this entire video, what's happening here? Just look into this. Okay, what's happening here? Play it up and see what's happening here. From 0 to 13 second, EDU-SITE is playing up, and from 13 second, after 13 second, it will just vanish off. Okay, the EDU-SITE will vanish off. It will go with its own fading out or something like that. And after that, where the excellences begin will come. Okay, will appear. So what happened here is, this one that was here, this one actually didn't reduce that this one. So this one. Okay, for this one, it is reduced till here. And for the very next one, let me just reduce this till here. Okay, this is the entire video that we had reduced it for. Okay, remember, you have to be very careful with the things that are around here. Okay, so let me just take this up. Okay, so this rearranging will prove very, okay, this is fine now. You just have to rearrange this up again and rearrange this up again. Okay, now what happens, both the edge sides. So previously you have to do this prior to just completion, fine. So in this way, show timings, and you can just assign this text to whatever timings you like, right? EDU-SITE. And for the texts also, dear sisters and brothers, you can fade in and fade out. Okay, at the beginning you can just animate it to fade in, and at the edge you can just animate to the fade out. Okay, how to do that as well? Probably you all know how to animate it, right? While starting, you can just give it a rise on both enter and exit, on enter, on exit, on both. You can do that, or whatever. For entire, if you want to give, you can give it, right? Okay, it's totally up to you how well you want to arrange things into, or you can just give the entire animation for the video. So just can apply the animation and simple animations. Come on, let me see, let me show you how it looks like. Animation to entire text will be given there, fine. So will we just play this up? Play it from the start, and this way it appears, fine. So that also animated, this also animated when it came in, and then there will be some out animations. So yeah, there's an out animation, there is an animation again. So this is how you can assign the timings for the text wherever you want, and give the timing. Show timings is very important. Okay. Okay. So this is done. Hope you all are learning much concept about video editing today. Fine. So come on, there are a few more things that you have to learn about video editing. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just go to any videos. I'll take this video only. I'll put it as a background. Fine. So now this is a video. What more options do you have? Playback speed is done, right? Less speed increase is done. Now backgrounds, if you want to put, this is another story. It's same thing. If you don't want to want this video, and you want to put background instead of this video, then you can just click on this colors and put this background as a video instead of the video. Fine. Again, then there is something called as positioning. Positioning is the layers that you have to position. Don't worry about that. And there is another thing called as a sound here, dear sisters and brothers. It is nothing but you can increase the sound to 100%, or if you don't want the video sound to appear, you can just mute this video sound. And if you want to put your own audio, you can just go to the audios and put your own audios. Okay, go to the uploads. upload your own audio file and then put the audios. Okay, it will appear on the timeline. See here. Now your audios also you can arrange from whatever part you want. For example, this audio you wanted from this second to this second, you can arrange it here. If you want it to be played at the edge, you can arrange it. You can add multiple audios. If you want to add another background audio for that, you can add multiple audios upon it. See here, 10 audios. If you want to add, you can add 10 audios. Multiple audios you can add. One audio you can make as a background audio. One audio you can make it as this one. For example, one audio, this audio you want to make it as a background audio, another to this one. So you just have to reduce this volume of the background audio, and other audios you should make it increase in the volume 100% to 200% you can increase. Okay, these are the ways you can this is the audio editing options. Okay, even for audio editing you have some audio effects option also. Fade in, fade out. Fade in is nothing but when it appears inside the screen, the voice will be very slow, and after some time the voice will be increased. Okay, fade in. Fade out is when moving out, when the video is ending or the audio is ending. At that time your voice pitch will be very low. Beat synchronization, you don't have to worry about this. It just calculates about the beats and it will arrange it automatically. This is not preferable. Fine. So then we have something volume. So these are just the 3 audio editing options that are here. When you just go with the separate video editing, dear sisters and brothers, separate video editing applications like the like we had with the course or with the Kind Master course. In that, dear sisters and brothers, we have very excellent audio editing options, the video editing options. Here it is limited because video editing and audio editing is not a main priority of the Canva designing. It's a major design tool for the flyers and everything, fine. So this video editing is limited. Video editing and audio editing options are limited here, fine. So we have separate applications for video editing that is very helpful for the YouTube videos or something as such, fine. So you have content here, dear sisters and brothers, excellent content. For example, probably like green screen videos also, green screen videos also. If you have any green screen videos and you want to remove the backgrounds, there is very excellent thing called as how to remove. For example, if you are given with the green screen, what we say, you want some background with the green screen. You have some background with the money with the green screen. For example, money with the green screen. This money is falling from with the green screen. And now what you want to do is you want to remove the green screen out of it. So how to remove this green screen out of it? You just have to go to the edit video and remove the background. That's all. Okay, remove the background and a background will be removed. Probably you know why green screen is used, so that you can just remove the green screen out of it. That's all. That is the purpose of using the green screen. So this is the options that we have learned. Now we'll go to a topic known as animation. Okay, I don't want to do it here. Please take another video. Fine. Come on, go to the videos, and again another video you can just take. Okay, alhamdulillah. This is very excellent topic. Come on. Okay. Now this is a video that we have. Okay, I told you can just create your own animations with whatever stuffs you want. For example, if you want to grab this templates and you want to animate the text, you can animate it yourself. But now I want to show you with specifically the cartoon thing. Let me take a cartoon. For a cartoon, I just want to take one beautiful playground. Okay, playground. Let me just have a playground and then we'll see what happens later. Playground. Okay, playground, and we'll see what are stuffs here. Okay. Okay, I'll just take this one. Okay, this is very simple. I'll just add it to the background. Fine. What to do? Add it to the background. How to add it to the background? Just click on it, 3-dot button. Okay, probably it's too upside for this. Okay, because it's too small, it's not giving you the option add to the background. Okay, I'll delete this up. Let's see if we have some beautiful ones. Okay, so this is done. See, I'm showing you how well you can just create the stuff yourself, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, I just added this up. I'll just add to the background. It's not possible to add to the background because it's very small. Fine. So this is the background that I have created. Okay. Now you can just create your own story. For example, you can create that children are playing here, kids are doing this work, kids are doing that work, and you can just create your own story. Now to make this more lively, what do we need? We need animated things here, right? We need some things moving here. So what we'll do, see here, dear sisters and brothers, we'll just type kids playing. We want cartoons, right? Kids playing. Okay. And now we'll see the graphics, but we don't have things here animated. So what we'll do, we'll just click on this button, okay? This is a filter button, and you'll click on animated, okay? Animated, and we'll just click on done. Okay, I'm sorry. It just closed up. It's playing, click here, and then I'll just click on animated, and then I'll just get back, okay? See all. Now, We'll just grab what we want. For example, this one, these two guys are in the animated pattern. What we'll do, we'll keep them here. So this is how you can make your own story out of this cartoon. Come on, let's see how we are going to do this. Let's play. We'll just keep this somewhere here. It should look very lively, dear sisters and brothers. Come on. Okay, this person is playing with the ball. Let me keep it here. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is these two kids are playing with their balls. Okay. Let me arrange this here. Okay. Or I think we can give it some look like they are behind this grass or something like that, or something behind this bench. Okay. Next, what more, dear sisters and brothers? We are just looking into the photos of this animated designs of the children who are playing. Fine. Okay. I'll just put this kid here. Okay. What more? You have so much more to do, dear sisters and brothers. This is how you can just make your own cartoon. Okay. Now you can just make them move also if you want. I'll show you how you can make them move. Just a moment, inshallah. Okay, this person is somewhere doing this work. Taking the selfies and sitting here or something like that. It's totally your imagination what you're going to put it here. Okay. Now let me add some flowers to this. Moving flowers or animating flowers. So what I'll do, I'll just add flowers. FLO, flower plants. For plants. If I want, even I can just have the flower plants with the animated ones. Okay. Animated ones. See here. Something moving flower plant. Let me place some small stuffs here and there so that it looks more classy. Okay, where is it? I'll place somewhere here. This one. This one. No. Let it not move actually. Let it be just the static flower plants. Okay. I'm just showing you how we are creating the what we say a proper design for our own animation story. Flower plants. Okay, this background might be not that perfect for to go with. You can just change your own backgrounds, keep it in your own manner, in your own way that you like. Okay. So come on, let's see. Okay, this flowering plants. Let me keep it here. Okay. So I'm almost done with the things that I want. Now I'll show you how the animation works. Okay. See here. Now I also want to put up a man walking. Okay, walking man. I'll just put walking. Okay. Come on, dear sisters and brothers. Arrange it beautifully. Man walking. You can just write man walking and go to the graphics and see. If there is a person walking. Okay, there is a student here walking. I'll just keep this person on the street. Okay. Let him be a bit smaller. Okay. On the street, let him walk. Right. Okay. These are the guys playing in the playground and he is walking on the street. Okay. So he's not yet walking, right? So let me make him walk later and let this motorbike move ahead of him and he is walking on the street. Okay. Fine. Chalo. What we are going to do with this is this motorbike is not that perfect. We can take just ride the motorbike or if you want to, we'll just take another lady walking on this aisle or on this side. Okay. Something ahead of him or behind him, something like that, whatever you like. Okay, they are still not working. For the one animation I'll show you, then we'll just see later. Okay, see it later. If you want someone cycling, we can just do that as well. We'll do it later. Fine, I'll just show you the animation later. Okay, what more we can put here? Aeroplane I can put here. Okay, aeroplane or airplane you can write, and you can just take it from the animation, not the static ones. Take it from the animations and go to the graphics and see. Okay, I'll take this airplane and put it here. These are the ways you can create your own stories, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, now if you want to add a voiceover and if you want to make it more till the 10 seconds, 20 seconds, you can just increase from here itself. Okay, now what I'm thinking of doing is now what I'm thinking of doing is, now let me just get back to this cartoon, this person. I want to make him move from first to the end. Okay, so what we are going to do, just click on the animate button. Okay, Okay, if you are with a smartphone, you will get one bar here, okay, at the edge. Now what you have to do, you have to just slide it on the left side, okay. Over there you will have something called as create animation. Click on it. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, create animation. Okay, for this person, okay, this person, just click on that and create animation. Now what you have to do is you have to just make a path for him to walk from here till the end of the video. Done. I am done with the path. I have assigned the path to this person. Okay. Now what you have to do, there is something called as TD here. Okay. There is the movement style that is called as TD movement. Click on that. And also if you want to reduce his movement speed, you can reduce his movement speed and you can just click on done. Now see here, when you play this video, what is happening is the person is walking from here to there. And now I want to do the same thing for the aeroplane. Hope you all have understood. If you want me to repeat, I'll do it with aeroplane. Just look very carefully. Click on this airplane, click on the animate button, fine. Create animation button, okay. Now you just have to drag from where to where you want to take this aeroplane. Now drag this aeroplane from here to here and move it outside the screen. Done. See, now next what you have to do, movement styles and steady movement, okay. Speed, if you want to reduce, you can reduce the speed, okay, and click on done button. Now I'll just show you how well it works. Now I'll just show you when we play. Okay, see here, these persons are going, this man is walking, they are actually playing soccer, and here the kids are playing, the airplane is moving and is just flying by, and this looks very excellent, right? Yes. So you can just play some more things. For example, you can add more out topics to this. For example, you can just add another topic for this, another scene. Okay, another scene for this you can add, and over there you can place another person who is moving. For example, for me, another scene I want to create. Okay, I'll just go with the scene of the, okay, urban street. I'll take a street. Okay, urban street. That was just a playground that I had taken. I'll take some urban street. Graphics, go to the graphics. See here, this is the street. How we can make the person mode. It's very excellent. I set images background if I want, and I want to take that person and mode. Okay, there are different types of animation that you all can give it. Listen very carefully. Okay, now then we'll just move ahead with the walking person. The same walking person will take all this, or this woman, this lady will take. Okay, so how to make this lady move from this to that position? Go to the animation, create animation, and again you just have to move her from this to that, and now you just have to select the steady motion and the speed you have to reduce. Now you see here how she is walking from this side to that side. Okay, done. Now again, and I'll take another page. Okay, I'll show you with the how to move the background and not the person. Okay, now what we'll do, I'll take one person, the same person I'll take. Okay, let him be here, and I'll take another street. So the street may be, so you can just go to the urban street. You will find so many streets. I'll just go to the urban street only. Urban street. Let me see graphics. I'll take the second street. Okay, I'll put this up here. I'll put this up a bit more zoomed up. Okay, I'll zoom it up and put it. Okay, so let this be zoomed up and let it be like this. Okay, okay. Now what I'll do, I'll send it to the back because I have taken already this one. Send to back. Okay, this person is here. Okay, this person is here. Now what I can do, dear sisters and brothers, to make without making this person move, I can just make the background move. Okay, so what I'll do, I select the background. Please select the background. Go to the animate button. Again, create an animation. See here. Now I'm just going to move this background so that this person walks from this part to this. Okay, see here. This is how we just made it. Done. So if you want to give, again, the path should be steady. Again, the speed should be very slow. Now just play it up and see how well it looks. Okay, the speed is very slow. See, you can increase the speed. See, this is how we can just make him move. If you want to make the speed more, increase, you can increase it and you can just play it up. This is how we did it with just the background moving, right? So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, probably you are understanding the concepts very clearly, very excellently. For example, even more, for example, for this screen, if you want to give more of the aspect, like this is with the aeroplane moving, this one is a person moving, and if you want something like bike moving here, a motorbike here and there, I'll just show you with one of the motorbike moving. Remember, you have to take the animated designs, okay? Animated design, so that you can just filter the animated ones. And what motorbikes goes well with this design? I want a person also on that, right? So this a pizza delivery boy, probably. So how to make him move from this place to this place? Probably think that he came after him. Okay. Probably you can do something like this, dear sisters and brothers. You can just show the timings for this. Show the timing. Now you want to make him move after this person. Okay. This person went away. So after this, at 9 seconds, this should arrive. Okay. This should arrive from here. Okay. 9 seconds it's coming. Okay. So now then you just have to click from the animation. Start from the animation. Okay. Click on the animation, create animation. From 9 seconds, he is actually going from 9th second from this position to outside the this one screen. Okay. Again, remember, you have to remember steady path, because that is actually the will to do path. Okay. And speed, if you want to reduce, you can reduce. And remember, that will actually appear from the 9th second of the video, not from the start of the video. See here. At first, the person will be walking around, and then from the 9th second, that motorbike will come, and then it will move from one position to another position. Fine. Probably I didn't give it a good animation look. Here, what you should do is you should start from here. Okay. Custom animation. The path was not perfect. How to create animation on cell phone? You will be able to find it. Go to the elements, find whatever you want. Click on the person walking, or just write walking. Okay. Walking, and then just search for it and go to the graphics. You have it all there. So here you have it all there. These are the graphics that you have. It is on the smartphone. It will be on each and everything, yes, sisters and brothers. Okay. Now from here, if I want to create the animation, you can delete the path again and start giving the path to this. Okay. Now I'll just play this up from start. Oh, I didn't click on done actually. Yes, so probably that path is not yet done. Let me see if it has grabbed it up or not. Okay. Yes, it appeared from the 9th second. I didn't give the steady path also. So that's the reason why it is not looking good. You have to make it more steady, and you have to make it a bit lesser in the speed. And remember to give it a good animation look. So this is how you can just animate the things, dear sisters and brothers. See, even the person is walking, even this appears at the 9th second or whatever seconds you want, you can make it appear. And also, dear sisters and brothers, you can give further animations. Like if you want to put a honeybees here and there on this, butterflies here and there. Come on, just select it. Butterfly. Type butterfly. Okay. This is just the filter option that I gave, dear sisters and brothers. Filter options, fine. Filtering up and just writing the animated. Don't worry if you don't find the filters. Don't worry. You can just do it from this itself. If you want to make these butterflies move here and there on the greenery, you can just put it here on this greenery. Let me put butterfly, and I'll take an honeybee. Just see here how am I gonna take honeybee, honeybee, honeybee. Okay. I'll just select, oh, you don't have to select the photos of the honeybees. You have to select the videos. Okay. Over here itself in the graphics, you find it, yes, sisters and brothers. See here, animated honeybees here. Okay. Just click on it. Done. This animated honeybee, you just can take it. Now, what am I going to do with this? Honeybee, I want to make it move from this plant to that plant, this flowering plant to that flowering plant. So how to do that? So what I'll do, I'll just keep it on this flowering plant. Okay. So now animate it. Create animation. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it an animation here like this, and then wait, I didn't follow its path excellently. So what I'll do, I'll just make it move like this, and then from here let it fly back to some place like this, and then let it come from here, and then let it fly to this place and sit here. See how excellently I made this honeybee move. So it's just the path that you're assigning to that. See, a honeybee is moving all along, right? Hope you all have understood this. If you want to flip this honeybee up, you can flip it horizontally. Done. Now the path is actually same. You just have to give it a steady path, and if you want to lower its speed, lower its speed. Now just look at that honeybee, dear sisters and brothers. Yes, hope you all are finding it great, right? This animation thing. Okay, you can just duplicate this and give this another scene. Okay, duplicate the same design. I mean, same what we say, and put another scene to this. Okay, another scene to this, and then you can just tell that this person is doing this, and then you can maximize one screen to another screen, and then you can just create your own stories. You can give it a beautiful voiceover behind. Okay, now you can generate the AI voice also. Tomorrow's topic would be AI voice. Okay, everything about AI we are going to discuss here, inshallah. So be prepared for the last session tomorrow, inshallah. Tomorrow will be a takmeel session. Okay, So the last one, I just want to create one more, and then I'll just show you something like the same things, inshallah. What I'll do is you can do with the you can animate with another option known as mix and match. Okay, there is another option that tells you about animation. I'll just take one street. Okay, the street, what I'll do, I'll just put it up here like this. Okay, motorbike we had already, or a cycle if we'll take one cycle. You can just put this cycle here. Now what you can do, dear sisters and brothers, is you can duplicate the same thing. You can duplicate the same thing. How to duplicate the same design? You just have to double click on this or right click on this and duplicate the same page. Okay. Now you have again this cycling person. Now what you can do is, now you can just increase this size of this one design. I'm just showing you how well you can do with this. Okay. Okay. And you can place this person a bit upwards. Okay. Okay. So now in between these two, I can apply the transitions. Hope you all remember what are the transitions between this one. What are the transition between two pages, right? So you just have to click on plus button and there is something on the second edge. And there is a transition known as match and move. You can increase the duration of the transition to 5 seconds. Now it means that, see here, this video, this person is here, match and move here. It's moving all along without even our animation. Okay, this is called as match and move, right? Match and move. With this also you can give the animation, right? So these are the three ways through which you can animate the things. And alhamdulillah, we are done with the animation concept. Now it's all your creativity that you can put into your designs and create your wonderful stuff. Okay. So again, intro and outro videos for your own YouTube channel, and also the thumbnails, dear sisters and brothers. How to grab the thumbnails? Same thing. For example, you have created one thing. Okay. You have created this design. Now you want to take the thumbnail out of this. For example, you want to take the thumbnail from this place. Okay, just a moment. Probably EDU-SITE is not appearing. Okay, give me a moment. It will appear in a while. Okay, it's here. So if you want to grab the thumbnail out of it, fine, it's here. For example, you want to put this photo as a thumbnail. How to make this? You just have to make, okay, you just have to go to this one, download this as a JPG. Okay, download this thing as a JPG. That's all. Okay, which page, where things, you just can download that. Or you can just capture this up. Okay, you can just capture this up after exporting. That's another thing that you can do. Or you can just work on the YouTube thumbnails only. Separate YouTube thumbnails you can work on, because you have so many YouTube thumbnail options that you can just start with. You can just clickbait your own titles with another background. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, for thumbnails, usually YouTube is giving its own thumbnails with the thumbnail suggestion for every video, or you can create the YouTube thumbnails by your own by adding the backgrounds to it and whatever like this. Okay, you can create it like different flyers out of it. And yes, sisters and brothers, intro and outro videos now. Okay, probably you know what is an intro video. What is an intro video? Intro and outro videos are nothing but, yes, what are intro and outro videos, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, to just show the introduction to your channel, whatever your channel is about, you have something called as intro video. Okay, for example, you want to create an intro video for your channel. If it is an art and design channel, you have something very excellent here. You can just go with this, click on it. Okay, and you can just change it. For example, whatever your intro is, if you're wanting it to create it for an art gallery, if you have it for a henna design channel or something like that, you can just write henna designing channel. It's your YouTube channel with the name henna designing. And for this gallery, for this one, you are an artist by artist Samia. Okay, you can just write this as an intro. Now play this up. This looks very beautiful. Now you can just give it your own subtitling, or you can just give it your own this one. This you just can place it as an intro video for your own channels. Okay, now if you want to add another text to this, you can split this up. How to split the text up, dear sisters and brothers? You just have to write the show timings, and if you want to make it a half appear henna designing and half you want another thing to appear, then you can do that as well, right? So you can just make changes accordingly, right? So again, video templates, you can take intro videos. If you have an education related channel, okay, if you have an Islamic channel, select an Islamic intro, select some excellent intros. Welcome to my channel, you can put up there. Or you can just put up your own, instead of this, you have to put up your own logos. Logos should appear in this place. Okay, delete this up. make your logo to appear. How to make your logo to appear, dear sisters and brothers? I'll just go to the uploads and upload my logo. I'll show you how to make this. So yeah, it's an journaling I've added here. Make sure you are adding it very excellently. I mean, you have to edit this images. Probably you all know how to edit the images, right? So you can edit it in such a way that it should be more, what we say, more lookable, right? Let me see if I can put some drop shadow glow so that it is more this one. Yes, it can be. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. So now you can just change it for this one. So now journaling. Journaling. Okay, journal. Okay, you can just write whatever Islamic content or something like that. Islamic. Okay. So this way you can just put an intro to your channel. See how beautifully we did it, right? So this way Sana journaling, and this is the introductory this for your channel. Now you can just do what you can just create the video in between, or you can capture the video, you put the captured video, or you can make the videos. For example, how to make the videos, now you know it already, right? You can just grab the videos, put the videos as next pages, okay, next pages. Probably you're writing something about, okay, not on this video, you don't have to put on this video, click on new page, add another video, and now you want to write about some stuff here. Okay, set images background. Now in this video what you can do, you can now add the text. Okay, and then you can give your own voiceover, you can add, or you can add the background videos. Now you have to add the text as parts by parts. 4 seconds you want to appear. For example, this Islam is the solution for humanity. Okay, next what you'll give, you are going to give more of the this one. Okay, solution for every okay, till every I have written. Okay, after every I want to make it appear in the next line. Okay, next, I mean next to this one. So what you have to do, you have to just duplicate this layer up. You just have to place this Islam is the solution, and to after this this text has gone, and then remember to give it an animation for every, for this one. Again, how you have to just edit it up, you have to just edit it up. Islam is the solution for every problem. I'll just close it all, delete it all, then we just have to write next text. Problem that you make sure you're editing all of the font humanity is facing today, facing today. Then if you want to write something after that, you just have to duplicate the same thing, and remember you have to give some animations. Okay, make sure you are giving the animations from every corner. Okay, now I'll just play this up and show how it's playing. Remember, you have to give the transition between the videos also. All of these are very important. Okay, then you are starting your video, then at the end you have to give an outro video. Probably you all know what is an outro video. Outro video is nothing but in which you mention all of the channel names or all of the site names wherever you are located. For example, if you are on the Instagram, you can write the Instagram outro, click on the outro. You have so many outro templates here. Thanks for watching. If you want to put it up at the end and delete this up, and you just have to put, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. You just have to put your own logos there, delete image and put your own logos there. That's all. So next, this is the content that is in between. Fine. Now I'll just play this content and show you. Now you just have to remember to put the animation to this these text also. Okay, text you have to animate. How to animate? Click on animate, rise button for Islam is the solution. For next, I took the vibe button. Now how should I play this? From the very start you have to play and see. So now journaling Islamic, this one, or presence you can write this one. Then you just have to make sure that this is appearing in this pattern. Okay, both enter and exit. Make sure the animation is given very perfectly. Make sure you are writing the text very perfectly. You have learned it all, dear sisters and brothers. You just have to apply it now in your designs and create the wonderful and excellent stuff. That's all. So this is how we can just, now we have to reduce this video. Now if you want till this much only, reduce this up. Now you just have to add, thanks for watching, your own channel names on this one. If you want to create an YouTube outro, if you want to create some other outro, not like that, if you want to create something like this, you can create it very easily. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And also if you want to add some things like this, search my this one and subscribe button, you can just write your name here, and then you can delete this image. Instead of this image, you can put delete image. You can put your own logos. For example, I'll show you with the logos. This Sana journaling logo, I'll just put it inside this. Instead of Avery Davis, I'll write Sana journaling. Sana journaling. Journal. Okay. Now when I play this up, it looks very excellent. So yeah, when I play this up, this is the outro video that it has produced. So yes, Sanar Journaling, type Sanar Journaling and click on subscribe button. That's all. See, this is all self-generated outros, intros you can just refer to and you can just create the stunning content out of it. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, you are given an excellent design tool that the pro content is can be designed here. You all have an excellent tool with you, inshallah. You can just create the wonderful stuffs out of this. So alhamdulillah, we are done with today's session. We have learned to create so many things today. We have learned to edit entire video editing itself. We have learned in one session, alhamdulillah. So dear sisters and brothers, make sure you are utilizing each and every concept, and tomorrow's class would be a game changer. Tomorrow you are going to learn how to create everything using AI, okay? AI tools. And remember, dear sisters and brothers, tomorrow would be the last session, inshallah. So I just want you all to invite you all for the last session for the day or for the course, inshallah ta'ala. That would be the takmeel session, inshallah. And tomorrow's class you would be given the very important tips and tactics, how you can just learn to earn, how we can just earn through this editing. And also, dear sisters and brothers, tomorrow you are going to learn so many aspects of editing, inshallah ta'ala. So again, I just want to invite you all to the Takmeel session of our Design Like a Pro course that would be held tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. inshallah. Oh, make sure you all will be available on this timing, inshallah. Wayaki khairan, dear sister and Shamaman. Alhamdulillah, all praise and thanks belongs to Allah who has guided us towards this. I just don't want you all to miss this session that would be held tomorrow, okay? So Jazakumullah khairan, yeah, sisters and brothers here. Take care of yourself. Hoping forward to meet you all in tomorrow's class. That would be the last session for the entire course, inshallah ta'ala. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseeran.